You're tired of the traditional way of frying eggs. Don't worry, in this video, I'll guide you through 5 egg tips to help you change your traditional way of boiling and frying eggs. Tip 1. First, I crack the eggs into a pouring cup and stir well so that the yolks and whites are thoroughly mixed. Next, I prepared a metal ladle and coated the inside with a thin layer of oil to prevent sticking. Next, I scooped a sufficient amount of the egg mixture into a ladle and held it directly over the gas stove flame. When exposed to heat, the egg mixture begins to solidify very quickly, forming a thin layer that coats the inside of the ladle. At this point, I added some cheese and chopped bell peppers to the center to make the filling. Then, I gently folded the egg in half right in the ladle and transferred it to a plate. The result was a lovely little egg roll with a soft outer layer and a delicious runny filling inside. Tip 2. I cracked 2 eggs into a bowl. Then stir well until the mixture is completely combined. Then, I poured the entire mixture onto a hot pan and fried it into a large, thin layer of egg. When the egg surface is just cooked through but still slightly soft, I use a rolling pin to cut long, even strips across the surface. At this point, the egg mixture is divided into several neat, long strips. Then I took the pan out and waited for the eggs to cool down. Then I arranged the egg pieces on the cutting board. To do this trick, we need about 10 toothpicks. I gently rolled each strip into small coils. Then, using a small skewer, secure the egg roll to maintain its shape. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Finally, I transferred everything to a disc. The soft, golden egg rolls arranged side by side are visually appealing, simple yet giving the impression of a much more elaborately prepared dish. Tip 3. First, I put the pan on the stove and add cooking oil. I cracked 2 eggs into a bowl and stirred them well until the yolks and whites were completely mixed together. I used chopsticks to check the temperature of the cooking oil. If bubbles rise when I put the chopsticks down, it means the oil is ready. I prepared a slotted spoon and slowly poured the egg mixture over it. The egg flowed down through the small holes in interesting thin strands and flakes. As soon as it touched the hot oil, the egg immediately puffed up and floated golden on the surface. After a short while, the outer layer became lightly golden and crispy, while the inside remained soft and fluffy, very appealing. Finally, I took them out to drain the oil and placed them on a plate. The finished product looks like a fluffy, puffy layer of fried egg, making it extremely appealing and enjoyable to eat. Tip 4. If you've ever had trouble peeling boiled eggs, with the egg white sticking to and crumbling along with the shell, then here's a very interesting tip. After boiling the eggs, I let them cool slightly, then used a knife to cut each egg in half, keeping the outer shell intact. This time, instead of peeling off the shell piece by piece as usual, I just take a spoon and gently push it between the shell and the egg white. And you see, the egg almost slides out intact, easily splitting into beautiful halves. This method is especially useful for freshly boiled eggs that are difficult to peel, as it's faster and minimizes damage to the outer surface of the egg white. Another interesting egg peeling trick. First, I take a strip of tape and place the boiled egg on top. Then, I wrap several layers of tape around the egg so that the tape adheres tightly to the entire surface of the shell. Next, I gently tapped the egg onto the table so that the outer shell cracked evenly into many small pieces. And here's the most interesting part. When I started peeling off the tape, you could see many pieces of eggshell coming off with the tape and separating extremely easily. It's wonderful to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Tip 5. I crack the eggs directly into a heat-resistant glass jar. Then add about 50 milliliters of milk. Close the lid tightly, then shake well. Then open the lid and put it in the microwave. Spin at high temperature for about 2 minutes. During the heating process, the egg begins to puff up inside the jar, which is quite interesting. The heat helps the egg cook extremely quickly without the need for a pan or pot. When removed from the heat, the egg inside is soft, fluffy, and piping hot, making it convenient for quick and simple meals. So, with just simple ingredients like eggs, I've shown you 5 simple tips to make your meals more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is my motivation to continue sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.